Hey, it's Amanda. Kevin found me on the floor, unrolling my mat. Hey, Amanda, he said, his voice tight with worry. Are you okay? Oh, I laughed softly, looking up.
Yes, of course, Kevin, never better. I meant it.
The calm was already settling in my bones. How are you? Did you finish your final exams? No, he sighed, the stress practically rolling off him. I have one more exam tomorrow morning and I'm totally overwhelmed.
No one ever said college would be this hard. He paused, taking in my cross-legged posture. But wait, what are you doing?
I am practicing mindfulness, I explained. It's a meditation technique. I use it to control my stress during the day, especially during exam week.
When I practice mindfulness, I can handle my stress and keep my focus. I saw the curiosity flicker in his tired eyes. An idea sparked. Come on, I have an extra mat.
Kevin, roll it out and I'll show you how it's done.
Sure, he said, a hint of relief in his voice. I'll give it a try. As he settled beside me, I began.
Okay, Kevin.
The key to mindfulness is relaxing and allowing your mind to acknowledge the physical sensations of your body and the thoughts that come into your head. This body scan exercise may help you stay focused throughout the day. Okay, he murmured, already sounding more present.
I'm ready.
First, I guided. Lay back with your legs fully extended. You may keep your eyes open or closed, whatever helps you relax. I watched him settle onto the mat. Now bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the air entering your nose, traveling down into your lungs, and expanding your chest.
Then exiting as you exhale. I kept my voice low and even.
You may notice noises around you or thoughts entering your mind. Acknowledge each one separately before moving on to the next. I want you to think of a leaf floating on a stream. Place each thought on a new leaf and watch it float away. Good. We breathe together in the quiet space. Now let's scan your body from head to toe. Starting with your head, your scalp, and your hair. I walked him through it, piece by piece, my own awareness tracing the path alongside his.
Begin to run your attention towards your neck and then your shoulders. As your shoulders relax, bring your attention to your chest.
Then to your abdomen, and from there to your back. Continue to relax each muscle.
His breathing had deepened.
Focus now on your legs, then your thighs and your knees. Focus your attention on this moment. Right here, right now. I could feel the stillness wrapping around us. Now move to your calves, your ankles, your feet, and your toes.
Good, Kevin. We lingered there for a moment in the shared quiet. Now focus your attention on scanning back up your body and on your breath. I waited, then gave the final cue. Slowly sit up and we are finished for today. He took a deep, clearing breath as he rose.
Wow, he said, his voice softer, clearer. It's been a long time since I felt this relaxed. I need to keep practicing this so I can get good at it. All you need is a quiet space, I reassured him. Mindfulness is one of many tools to help manage stress.
Today we practiced body scanning, which is one of many mindfulness exercises.
Next time we should consider finding a place with no distractions or interruptions, which will benefit our practice. Thank you for teaching me this, he said, and the genuine gratitude in his words warmed me. I can see myself practicing mindfulness now and in the future. No problem, Kevin, I smiled, rolling up my mat. Glad to hear this was helpful. Feel free to join me anytime. And as he left, looking a little lighter than when he arrived, I felt that quiet, steady joy that comes from sharing something real.